Karibu katika YouTube channel yangu, mimi ni Martin. Nataka nishiriki na wale wa jamaa ambao wanachukua courses za engineering katika level tofauti tofauti. So kuna question hapa ama swali inasema hivi, solve for x. So this question states that we are supposed to solve for the value of x in this equation. This question normally earns somebody 6 marks. 6 marks. So the question itself states that we have 9 raised to power x that is equal to 12 into bracket 3 raised to power x minus 27. We are supposed to get the value of x. So my friend, we are going to ensure that everything is in the base of 3. That has, so that we can balance this equation, we need to go faster but very sure. So it is 3 raised to power 2. If that 2 is multiplied by x, we have 2x. Again, if we can proceed and say this 12, we are also going to split it in terms of 3, so that we have 3 raised to power 1 plus 3 raised to power 2, so that we have 9 plus 3 to get 12. This one is in a bracket that is being multiplied by 3 raised to power x minus 3 raised to power 3 to earn 27. So we want to open the bracket by taking this multiplied by this. We are going to maintain the base, but we will do something on the exponents. So if we are going to multiply the base of 3 and the base of 3, we are going to add the exponent. So we are going to have 3 raised to power x plus 1 plus 3 is 3 multiplied by this one. We are going to have 3 as a base maintained, x plus 2 minus 3 raised to power 3, and all this is equivalent to 3 raised to power 2x. Now, can we proceed kindly, so that we have this, adding this, we are going to multiply the base, the exponents, but by the end of the day, we are going to divide the exponent for the reason of minus. So we are going to have 3 raised to power x plus 1 multiplied by x plus 2 divided by 3 is equivalent to 3 raised to power 2x. At this point, we are going to drop this particular bases to remain with 2x is equivalent to, we are going to multiply this and this to get x squared plus, we are going to multiply x plus 2 to get 2x, so that we also take 1 times this, we are going to have x. This times this, we are going to have 2 plus 2. But this one is divided by 3. This one we can say 1, so that we have a good picture. So if we cross multiply here, we are going to have 6x is equivalent to x squared plus this, we are going to have 3x plus 2, so that we have, if we take this x here to this side, we are going to have 3x x squared plus 2. If we take this 3 to this side, so that we can create a quadratic equation, we will have x squared plus 3, minus 3 x plus 2. We are saying minus 3 for the sake of crossing the equal sign. So this one we are remaining with 0. So we are saying x squared minus 3x plus 2 is equivalent to 0. So there is two numbers here. We want to solve this quadratic equation. We can solve it using completing square method, but for this case I'm going to use factorization method. So I'm going to have there is a product and sum. I'm going to have a product which is there's something here which is 1 multiplied by 2 to get to sum is equivalent to minus 3. So there's two numbers, my friends, that if we multiplied we are going to have 2, but when we add we are going to have minus 3. So if we have minus 1 and minus 2, this multiplied by this one, so the two numbers are negative 1 and negative 2. So we are going to replace with where for the value of the sum, which is negative 3, we are going to replace it with these two numbers. So we are going to have x squared minus x, and remember this one is written in terms of x. It is not just 1, it's a plus, it's multiplied by x. X minus 2x plus 2 is equivalent to 0. So this one and this one, we are going to factor them. So we are going to have x into bracket x plus 1. It is supposed to be minus, sorry, supposed to be minus. For this minus. Again, we are going to have minus 2 in bracket. This one being a positive, if we create a minus here, we are going to have x minus 2. For the sake of, if we can take this minus 2 multiplied by positive 2, minus 2, we are going to have a positive 2, which is this one. So we are going to have x minus 2 or x minus, this is minus 1, sorry, this is minus 1, because we had been factorizing here, so that we remain with 1. So we are going to have x minus 2, which is x minus 2 here, or x minus 1, x minus 1. So the values we are going to have, it is either x minus 2 is equivalent to x minus 2 is equivalent to 2, or x minus 1 is equivalent to 1. So we are going to replace for the value of x, because we have said that the value of x is either 1 or 2. So can we replace to find which number is the right, which value of x is right? We are going to have 9 raised to power 1 is equivalent to 12 multiplied by 3 raised to power 1 minus 27. Hii itatupatia 9 is equivalent to this times this, we are going to have that 6 minus 27. Actually, this one brings the right answer. Yeah. Or let us confirm for 2 also. So we are going to have 2 raised to power x, 9 raised to power 2 is equivalent to 12 multiplied by 3 raised to power 2 minus 27, so that we have 81 here is equivalent to 12 times 9 minus 27. What is this? we are going to have 8 here. 98, 9, 98. No, I'm just going straight away. It is 9, 90, it is 18, 18, can 1, 0, minus 27. I don't know if it can give us 81. Can we work out? So it will be 1827. So that I help somebody who don't know how to subtract a class 3 work. This is 1, this is 9, 8. So it is 81. Go to 81. So our answer was correct. So we have earned our 6 marks correct. Thank you very much, my friends. Continue subscribing to my YouTube channel as we continue learning this engineering. Everything is right, everything is possible, nothing is impossible. Thank you very much. Continue liking and subscribing, but too much, just share this video. Thank you.